Want to know how to upgrade champions in Raid Shadow Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to give you some tips on how you can easily upgrade your champions super fast just in Raid Shadow Legends. So let's get straight to it. Now, upgrading champions is super simple, but it's really essential. So make sure you open your champion screen and tap on upgrade. So it should look something like this right here, and you can use lower level champions or fools and much more for lower level stages, which is a good strategy. Upgrading improves your champion stats like attack, defense and health. So it also increases your chances of winning the battles as well. So that's it. Make sure you focus on champions you use in most battles. This makes your team stronger faster. And remember, leveling champions is the first step before ranking to the greater realm or ascending. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.